think as an educator, it's made us step back and find projects and challenges that are actually meaningful to the students, that incorporate the skills we're required to teach, and also bringing in, like Samantha said, the soft skills, the communication, the listening, the speaking, the collaboration. And these projects, I think, will do more for them in the long run than sitting here and having those traditional lessons taught to them. They're still getting the same skills, but in large part, they don't realize how much they're actually learning until we finished a project and we look back on our final product and they're like, wow, I did that. And they're really proud of what they've done.
I was really worried about the time it would take and the other stuff that I need to teach. And honestly, I'm still kind of worried about that, but we've figured out how to make it take the place, instead of being an addition to, but take the place of other things we were teaching.
For me, professionally, it's helped me grow in really looking at the standards and pulling them apart and knowing exactly what our goal is for them and being able to group them in a way that makes sense. It's a lot going into it up front, but after that, the kids just take complete control. But we know that they're headed in the direction that we need them to be.
I've always tried to help kids learn how to think critically or learn to apply the knowledge that they get either through lecture or through labs or different things that we do in class. And I've struggled with teaching them how to apply their learning. This has given me the framework to design lessons that allow them to do that. And I tried to implement problem-based learning or project-based learning before, and I didn't know how. I didn't either, one, have the time to research how to do it, or just didn't take the time to research how to make an effective lesson like that. This model gave me that framework to work in, and it showed me the scaffolding or the important things that you really need to address, giving the kids the ability to do DIYs, the ability to pick what workshops they may need to ask for, showing them that, hey, you know what? You can get a textbook or you can get a computer and research and learn this stuff on your own and then go back and do a DIY activity and make sense of it. You don't need me to lecture and to write all the notes on the board for you. And it's just shown me what the important parts are in the planning of PBL and allowed me to kind of go from there.